Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Cassie, and for those of you guys who are new, I do a lot of vlogs, excuse me, mom videos, adulting, etc. Today I'm over here in Jacksonville. Kehlani is making a lot of noise. You guys can't see her because we have the tent in the back, but we're headed to the beach, and I wanted to just show you guys around Jacksonville Beach and how we set up our tent and the vibes that we're having out here. So stay tuned. And just so you know, I'm wearing this hat from H&M. Love it. And it was only $15. So if you want one, they're in H&M right now. And then if you want to know anything else about my outfit, my glasses are Ray-Bans. I get prescription sunglasses because I can't see shit. So these are the only ones I have. So y'all gonna be seeing this a lot come spring, summertime. And then my swimsuit is from Forever. Almost everything I wear is usually from Forever. So alright, show you guys around the vibes. So yesterday it was so much fun. We went, after the beach, we went to a cigar bar. We had a lot of great time there, but now the next morning, afternoon, we are going to the mall real quick. I need to return some stuff after my car is still a mess. And yeah. Okay. Having a good time. I had to jump in the back seat and feed her because she was going crazy. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the mall. Oh my gosh. You want me to hold it? Sure. So, we think Kehlani's scared of the food truck, but we're out here trying to get some food. You know, it's our second time, 128th Street. So, we're waiting on the food. Kehlani, I think, is scared of the truck or something. She won't let me pour it down. That's her spit right here. So, whatever. I guess I'm gonna be carrying this 50-pound baby. Guys, what I'm eating today. Everything looks amazing. I'm about to try a lotus fry right now. Amazing. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm good. I'm about to grab. Hey, you guys. If you see that I'm breathing hard, it's because I've been going in and out of the house, going downstairs to get all the stuff that was in my car, because we've been going to the beach like almost basically every week so far. It's only been 2 weeks, but we've been going to the beach a lot, so I had a lot of crap in my car. There's a lot of sand in my car. So I was just getting everything out. Kaylani is asleep. I am dressed to go work out, but I gotta wait on her to wake up because it's like 9:37. I don't have my glasses. Yeah, 9:37. So hopefully she wakes up around 10. Then we can go. But I wasn't gonna do a vlog today, I'm not gonna lie. I was really just gonna be cleaning up and relaxing today, but a couple things. Well, one thing came in that got me super excited, and I figured you guys could see how I unpack, get unready for the beach, get ready for the work week, and clean up. I can show you guys my car because there's sand and snacks and Cheerios and shit every fucking where. And yeah, you guys can just relax and hang out with me for the day. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is this bottle of whiskey. It's Virginia Black whiskey. I think Drake partnered with somebody with this. I just know something with Drake. Like, it's his bottle. Like, I don't know. He does something with this. He made it. I don't know. But anyway, there's none in the city where I live. So I went to Jacksonville and my boyfriend bought me this bottle. It's so pretty. I love how it looks. And we're just kind of trying this new thing where we're going to get more, not expensive, like this I think was like $40 something, but just nicer bottles, because this is looking kind of crappy right now, like my little bar situation. I mean, most of these bottles I've drunk some of it, so it's kind of looking just not as nice as I would like. So we bought this bottle. I bought this one first, this new 1800, and then now this is our second pretty bottle. And you guys let me know, suggestion box, like what other bottles I could buy that kind of look nice and kind of, you know, like expensive but cheap, because I ain't paying more than 50. I'm sorry, but we're gonna do this new thing where we kind of make the bar look a little bit more elevated, elegant, and then all the bottles we actually drink, I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put. I don't know where yet, but I'll put them somewhere, maybe up on top of my fridge. Whew, y'all, I went up and down them stairs like 10 times at least. A bitch is tired now, but anyway. So that's the first thing I wanted to show you guys. And then let me show you guys this other thing that came in the mail today, which I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this for like a month, literally a month. So just came in, so let me show you guys. Okay, can you guess what it is? I bet y'all won't. I bet y'all won't. So these are oh yes, y'all, I had to buy these shoes. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for these for so long. Oh, they're perfect. Everything I could ever want and need and more. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting on these for a long time. I even, like, the day they came out, I told my brother, I was like, if you can find, because he lives up north, I was like, if you can find these shoes, I will give you $50 on top of what they cost. He couldn't find them, y'all. They were sold out. They were sold out so quick. I was like, gosh, darn it. I want these so bad. But I got them. And then I saw somebody had like light pink laces. So I'm gonna buy some light pink laces and lace them up and show you guys how I style them. So yeah, that was the second surprise, which I'm so happy about. And then now I can show you guys how this mess of a house looks. I feel like my house has been a mess for at least a month. I've just been here. I haven't been here, I mean. So it's just, I kind of come in, drop everything and leave. So let me show y'all how it looks right now. Y'all, this is everything. Ooh. Okay, this is everything from the beach. Everything that I'm showing you guys has sand in it or on it or somewhere. These are the pile of clothes that I haven't gotten to but need to. My hat, Kehlani's clothes, Forever 21 bags. Everything that was in my car, like this was in my car, but I had to take it out for the beach. And then her little toys that she likes to play with. And my sunglasses are in here. So today's gonna be a nice little cleanup day. Like, I'm gonna clean up, I'm gonna work out and do something with my car. Some gotta give, like something. So stay tuned, you guys. Good morning.
Okay.
Are you okay, baby?
Uh-huh.
What happened, baby? You sorry. Good morning, I love you. Okay, you guys, as y'all know, our usual, this is how we are to go to the gym. We here. Time to get this workout on. I just wanted to show y'all a better picture, a better video of the fit, you know, the drip. So yeah, let's get started. Time to go. Yep. Good job. Uh-oh. Oh no. So you guys, I cleaned up. I'm so proud of myself. I even vacuumed, which is not usual, but when you go in here, out here, the patio, like a lot of leaves and stuff, so I'm gonna move everything and just kind of spruce it up a bit, and I'll show you guys the finished product. So you guys, I am done sprucing it up. All I did really was just sweep and get some of this pollen off of everything, but I know my plants are dying. Don't mind them. I'll water them in a second, but this is what it's looking like now. Nice little set. And then I almost forgot to show you guys what I'm wearing today, which I need to put this down, so hold on. All right, this is what I'm wearing, y'all. And I look snatched because I got my waist trainer on. I don't know if y'all can see. I got my waist trainer on. It's my little outfit for the day. Now that I have cleaned up I'm gonna go to Publix, get some food for us, and hopefully that'll be it. Actually, I need to clean the fridge. I want to get all the old stuff out and put new stuff in, so I'll probably do that tonight, and then I'll officially be done, hopefully, with spring cleaning. Sorry, it just got real dark. Hold on. Whew. Y'all, I've been cleaning all day. You see this face? No makeup, no nothing. Need some chapstick bad. This is the face of somebody who's been cleaning all freaking day. So I just got back from Publix. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I got. So the first thing I did was get us some Mardi Gras wings and corn nuggets. I'm gonna take one because I haven't ate all day and I need something quick. Then I got Eternal Waters because they were buy one get one free, and these are like my favorite waters. The butter was also buy one get one free. Some milk. I've been trying this new coffee that I made from home. It's so good, but I needed some more caramel macchiato. I don't like it as much with the hazelnut that I have. Bananas. And of course, bread. All right. So you guys, I didn't tell you this, but I have been waiting all day on the mailman because I bought myself a little something. And I was ready to get it. And I dang sure did not want them to tell me no crap like they missed me. So I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna do a little unbox with me. And ooh, how freaking nice. I swear, Gucci has the best packaging. The best. So I'm gonna take it out. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like. So beautiful. I love the freaking green package, but I already opened it. I'm just doing this for y'all. Yeah, YouTubers are like that. So anyway, I can show you guys. This is my beautiful little bag. It's so cute. I absolutely love her. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna wear it and stuff. Alright. So this is her on. Give me 1 second. Alright, so this is her on, and she is everything I could ever ask for. So cute. This is probably how I'm gonna wear her for the duration of the summer. I think it's a nice little bag for, you know, just put your stuff in, take your stuff out really quick. And yeah, I love her so far. So far, I'm in love. Okay, so you guys have seen my house clean. It's actually back to being, well, Kehlani's toys is just everywhere. It's a whole nother story because she always throws her toys everywhere. But You guys seen my house. Y'all seen my new bag. I'm gonna clean the fridge, but it won't be until later. We're gonna go to Target and go see my dad. And I think I'm just gonna end the video here. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me. I know I'm not as consistent as I need to be, but I'm trying, you guys. It's fun to do these videos for y'all. I actually really enjoy them, and I love everyone's support and love, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.